Please note that it is important to thoroughly read the detailed instructions included before installing tiles. Today, we're going to show you just how easy it is to install self-stick vinyl tile. A simple, economical way to transform your room. Step 1. Start by mapping out your floor with the backing still on the tiles. Use your chalk line to measure out and mark guidelines from the center of the room. Step 2. Place the tiles from the center out, adjusting the arrangement of the tiles to avoid having less than 6 inches at the edges. Step 3. Starting from the center of the room, peel the backing from the first tile and press it down firmly. Discard the release paper immediately to keep the work area free of debris. Step 4. Install the next tile tightly against the edge of the first. If you're installing groutable tiles, set your next tile using 1/8 inch or 3/16 inch spacer between each tile. Step 5. Working one quadrant of the room at a time, install tiles in a step pattern. If your tiles have arrows on the back, make sure they are all pointing in the same direction. Step 6. When you reach the end of a row, the last tile may need to be cut and fitted. Place the tile to be trimmed precisely over the last full tile. Place another full tile against the wall and mark a cutting line where the tiles overlap. Gently score the top of the tile. To fit around complicated areas, such as pipes, corners, or door frames, use cardboard to outline your obstacle and create a template. Then cut to fit. Test your template to ensure proper fit. Then trace to your tile and cut. Be sure to test your cut tile before removing the paper backing and adhering to the floor. Step 7. Once all of your tiles are installed, it is recommended to roll your floor using a 100-pound roller to ensure firm adhesion. However, as an alternative, you can also use a household rolling pin, using your body weight to compress the tiles effectively. If you have chosen to install groutable tiles, you can grout them now, following the manufacturer instructions for your pre-mixed vinyl tile grout. It works best to clean up the excess grout as you go, keeping a clean bucket of water to avoid haze. Wait 5 full days after installation is complete before washing your new floor. And that's all there is to it. Transforming your room is a snap with self-stick vinyl tiles.